Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. It's Thursday. We just had the giveaway, and so I hit up the Dollar Tree real quick. I had to run out and get some stuff for the weekend, but I did grab a few things. These guys, there's some that are crafty and some that are just household necessities. So I grabbed this. This is the drain rooter. It's just basically the snake, so I could clean out, you know what this is for, clean out your drain. And then I grabbed some scarves. I found these two, and they're mostly for family member, so I wanted to get these two pretty colors for her. And also found two new clips. So there's one really big one right here, and it's just one big clip, and then there's two right here. And I thought these were very cute, and they're different, so I thought that was really cute. Come in handy. It's time to dress up again if we ever get back to that stage. I see this all the time, and I finally gave in and got one just in case we need an ice pack. Instead of using Ziploc bags, we could use this baby because it's a twist lock. It's not a snap, so it should be a little safer. And then at the register, I found these new, what are these called? Like cosmetic bags, you know. One in a melon, good vibes, just peachy, and squeeze the day. I thought these were very cute, and they're hidden up at the register. I grabbed this for my son. They're those little squishy hands. It's for your fingers, rock, paper, scissors kind of stuff. I thought that'd be nice to, you know, to mess around with his friends and stuff. I found this little board. I will change the jute. I don't like that. And then I have, it says, be our guest, and it says Wi-Fi password. And you're supposed to write your password here with some like chalk or something. We'll see how that goes. Thought that would be handy if we ever have guests ever again. I did buy two different kinds of clear coat. I just want to give it a try. One is just a base coat, top coat, and then the other is a rapid dry top coat. I never tried this one. I have one I used the other day when I did my nails, and I don't know, but we'll see. We'll give these two a try. I picked up two new colors. I may already have these two colors, but who cares? I really liked it, so I just picked it up. This is, oh, it comes with hardener. Nail polish, doesn't say what color. Just 612 and 505. So that's what I got with that. Let me put this back in the bag because that's going in another room. It is 4th of July coming up, so I grabbed this. They have the 2-pack for $1. They're kind of flimsy, but it's okay. We'll just go ahead and use them for the weekend. And then I finally gave in and got this turban. We'll see how this works. Actually, I didn't buy it for me. I bought it for my mom. So this will go also downstairs. They have the back to school supplies. So, of course, with that, they have the new containers, you know, for the dorm room people. But I got 6 of these. I don't know if you guys could even see that. And this one measures at the bottom about 7.5, 7.75. And then it's about 4.5 inches deep. So it's a pretty good size. And at the top it's about 10 inches. So I wanted to use these, if not in my craft room, then in my pantry. So I'm going to put that to the side. And then more for the 4th of July. Not that I'm having a party, but these I thought were pretty cool for like get-togethers. It is a meatloaf pan, but this stuff has a cover, so if you're not making meatloaf, if you're making banana bread, just think about that. And you get a lid, and it's super cool. And you get both pieces for $1. and it locks. So I got 4 of these bad boys. I also found these in the floral section. It's just the clear vase. I got 2 of those. And whoops, you know I love my flowers, so I got 2 of those. Not necessarily going to use it for the flowers, but it might be somewhere else. Alright, so I saw a video on YouTube how to clean your Cricut cutting mat, and they use the LA's Totally Awesome cleaning spray from the Dollar Tree, and they said from the Dollar Tree. So I grabbed a bottle. I want to give it a try because I have a few boards that I want to clean, cutting mats or whatever. I was looking for this before Father's Day. This is what I wanted to use for my husband's little board for his tool rack. But I did grab them because I still want to make a better board for him. Although my board is pretty cool. Again, in the organizing section, they had, of course, the coordinating trays. And we like to use this like for carrying our food if we're going to eat in the living room or whatever. Or even for meat, you know, just to pull out our meat and thaw it out and stuff like that. So I got 4 of these. So these will definitely go in the kitchen. 6 of the bigger baskets with that pretty cutout. This is new to me, this cutout design for Dollar Tree. So I grabbed 6 of these, and like I said, if not in my craft room, then in the pantry. So that was it that I got for Dollar Tree. I did grab some stuff at Walmart. I grabbed 2 more of the $1 containers. They have a big stock of these. So I just grabbed 2 more for my supplies. So I'm going to put that there. And then just put that down. I bought some felt to go with my Santa Baby work that I'm going to be doing this month. So I got the pink. They're 24 cents a sheet. I got the pink, the mint, and then I got like a peachy creamy peach color. And it says cream craft felt. 24 cents a piece. Picked up another restock of my tape because I love this tape. And then Louisa, I picked up 2 more of my favorite stickers. It's the hollow with the pink foam in the background. And I grabbed a better cardstock from Walmart. Yes, they look similar, the colors are similar, but the quality is heavier than the 12 by 12 that I picked up earlier. So this is a lot sturdier, and there's more of each color. There's 10 of each color. So that's going to be handy also for Santa Baby. The other thing I grabbed that Christian's Crafty Adventure told us all about was the Walmart watercolor paper. Oh, I didn't even notice it was scratched. That's okay. It still works. And so I grabbed that. I'm going to stamp up a few of the stamps that I used earlier and try to color this. And then speaking of color, I did find these at Walmart. These are the water brushes. And I took a picture because the price is amazing, better than Michael's. So here, I got 1 of each. They're the same. One is actually it's like this. This one is $4.97. Can you guys see that? This is $4.97 right here at Walmart. And then this one, which has the broader flat tip bristles, is $5.97. Okay, so we're gonna look at these because the one that I have, I'm gonna show it to you. I bought this at Michael's. Okay, this I bought at Michael's, and this is the PBO, whatever brand. I found that at Michael's, and it was the price of this pack right here, like $5-6 just for one brush. But Walmart has this brush. Oh, it's taped, Eileen. Duh. I'm so excited, guys. Just excuse my excitement. because I still have to edit this thing and then post it because I want you guys to see. Go get it if you're near Walmart. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Okay, look at that. It even has more, it holds more water, guys. It's a longer base. It looks similar to the one I got from Michaels. Both says push. Okay, let's see the tip. Look at that tip. Ooh, so soft, guys. It's one of the tips. Oh, look at that tip. It's so super soft. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. So you can use this brush for, did I already open that one? Oh yeah, look at these. Look at these tips. And you just unscrew them and you put your water in here. Put the water in there and you screw this back on. And the way you get more water will be to squeeze. Right here it says push. You squeeze that right there and it will release the water. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to play with this now. So those are the 3 tips for the flat tip brush. Okay, I like this one. Very small, which is probably what I'll be using more often. Let me show you what my tip looks like. Let me open this one. These are the smaller tip brushes, guys. All these 3 for the same price that I paid for this one, $5, okay? Oh, look at that. It's a pointed, what do they call it? Round tip. This is the round tip. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at this. And you could use it with just water, or this is a smaller round tip, and this one's a little more firm. Oh no, it's just because it's dry. Yeah, nice. And then this one is a lot smaller. Same thing. Yeah. Oh, it's so cool, guys. I'm excited. I want to get playing with these and get to add these babies to my use. And this is the smallest tip that I have. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. So for $10, I got 6 brushes. Sure, you can't get this. You probably pay more at Michaels or Hobby Lobby for individual brushes. So check out your Walmart. And then on top of that, this one I found, it's watercolors, and it was $9.97. I don't know if you guys could see, but it says $9.97, and you get that kit right here that I bought. So excited. Look at that. It's a travel size brush. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. So it's a round tip brush again. And then it comes with this little sponge here. So if you wanted to clean off the color, whatever color you're playing with, because your water goes in here. Oh my gosh, I'm excited, guys. Oh my God, look at this. For $9, what? $10 if you want to add put the cents to it. But look at these colors. And I'm assuming you could use this as a palette. I'm not an expert watercolor person. But yeah, guys. Oh, you can. This pulls out too. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at these colors. I want to play. I'm going to play. I will play with this little kit. Oh my gosh. Comes with all of this. The brush, the palette, the colors, the freaking sponge right here. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you all for watching. Go check out Walmart. I think this is a pretty good deal as far as if you don't have any watercolors and you want to give a try, whatever Christian was showing us how to do without buying all the expensive inks. I'm going to use this. So I'll see you all on the next video, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new.